I think somebody might have just been sitting around one day and, where's John at? There you go. Somebody coined the phrase John boat. Who knows how many years ago. A John boat is a flat bottom aluminum boat. Where's John? He's down there at the pond and he's joining his boat. Oh, okay, that's John's boat. Yeah, John boat. Yeah, okay, then all of a sudden it's a John boat. Somebody didn't want their boat being called a John boat. This thing ain't a flat bottom John boat, so let's call it a Mod V. Let's say it ain't a V. It ain't a V bottom boat. It ain't a V hull. But it's a little bit of a V. It's kind of, let's call it modified. Yeah, that sounds cool. Mod V sounds way cooler than flat bottom. Flat bottom sounds poor and cheap, and let's call it a Mod V. Yeah. You can only get so many different types of hull designs out of aluminum, okay? Modified V ain't a V hull. That's a flat bottom boat, okay? I know it's not completely perfectly flat, but it's still called a flat bottom boat. Just like a John boat. It's an aluminum flat bottom boat. That's a John boat, okay? That's why people call your boats John boats. It ain't our fault that we call them John boats. That's what they are. They're no dead rise, no aggressive entry. It's a flat bottom aluminum boat. If you feel better by calling it a modified V or a Mod V, that's fine. We'll allow that, I guess. Woo! Aluminum boat owners, they don't like people calling their boats a John boat. For whatever reason, John boat has a stigma attached to it. People kind of look down on them. You know, they're kind of like, my boat ain't a John boat. John boat is a flat bottom aluminum boat. The modified V hull, what they're calling a modified V hull, it ain't nothing but a flat bottom John boat. These aluminum Sea Arcs and Alumacraft, Low, Grizzly Tracker, all those type boats they're just flat bottom boats. That limited amount of dead rise they got isn't considered a V hull. You don't look at that and think V hull. There's V hull, and then there's Mod V hull. The V hull, you flattened it out, you called it a Mod V hull. That's a V hull. This is a Mod V hull, aka flat bottom. There's no such thing as a true flat bottom boat. Mod V is a special name that they come up with so they didn't have to call a flat bottom John boat a flat bottom John boat. Let's kind of get away from that stigma and let's call it a Mod V so we can sell more boats. That's my take on it anyways.